We get underway in the gold medal contest. Sa'id ESmaili of the Islamic Republic of Iran in the red, and Razzak Beyshekiev of Kyrgyzstan in the blue. Two young wrestlers, ESmaili 22, 1 year older than Beyshekiev. ESmaili fresh coming into this final. Just 90 seconds it took him to win his semi against Boykazayev, and he's already forcing Beyshekiev backwards. Staggering around the Kyrgyz wrestler there.
Yeah, ESmaili just really good on that wrist control, pulled the wrist down. As Beyshekiev followed it, then nudged him forward with the shoulder, and that drove him really on the heels.
Forward pressure, particularly strong from ESmaili. Knows he has to deliver it as well. Finally encountering an opponent who can test him today. And there is the Iranian team.
Biz ар башкабыз, бирок бизди бириктирип турган үй бүлөбүз. Үй бүлө бул жүрөктөрдү бириктирип турган эң ишенимдүү түйүн. О мобилдик операторунун үй бүлө премиум тарифы. Бул болгону 1990 сомго чексиз байланыш менен 3 сим карта, секундасына 500 мегабитке чейинки ылдамдыктагы үйдөгү интернет жана телевидение. Бүтүндөй үй бүлөңүздүн мобилдик байланышы менен үйдөгү интернетти бир айда бир эле жолу төлөңүз. Үй бүлө ар дайым биринчи орунда.
In action last night, cheering on their compatriot. Just the one gold medal won on day one in Greco-Roman here in Jordan. Iran planning on 5 gold medals from the 10 weight categories in Greco-Roman. In order to achieve that, every one of them in gold medal contest tonight has to win, starting with ESmaili. He goes from parterre. Initial surge to the left. Now he's going to lift up and take this to the air on Beyshekiev and over to the side, and here comes the throw. 4 points.
You see ESmaili gets the elevation, throws him over the top, but doesn't get the back exposure, and that's why we got given a 2 instead of a 4. Beyshekiev was on the back, 4 would have been given.
Yeah, rightly marked down from 4 to 2. It's good mid-air readjusting from Beyshekiev. This is a repeat of last year's Asian Championship final, which ESmaili won 3-1. Beyshekiev hasn't lost since then. Three 0 down here, however. Both happy to play out those final seconds of the first round. Great atmosphere in the arena for this gold medal contest as ESmaili nips around the corner. But Beyshekiev sees it coming.
Beyşekiev just being warned, having his head low. Stance is a little bit too low for the referee's opinion.
Beyşekiev has to back away. Gathers himself just before going out of bounds.
Well, in the crowd here at the top left, you've got the Iranian contingent. At the top right, you've got the Kyrgyz contingent. Both shouting for their own wrestlers here.
They both know how to make noise, those two, don't they? Fardin Hediyati in the middle there, the only gold medalist yesterday for Iran. Here's the Kyrgyz team. The Olympic champion from Iran, still 3-0 up. Underhook comes in from Beyshekiev. Charged up now, isn't he, the Kyrgyz wrestler? Has to hunt this down with all he's got. Arm drag attempt from Esmaili. Doesn't work like it did in the semi-final. But Beyshekiev can't yet find that way through that he needs. So pausing again for blood. No parterre given yet for Beyshekiev in the second round. And inside the last 60 seconds, carrying that with him into the arena, the expectation of victory every time. Beyshekiev really testing that here. The best way he can. Head clash between the two. Last 30 seconds, Beyshekiev with just enough time, as long as he makes use of that time. But these are the kind of positions from which Iranians thrive. Esmaili closing all doors on Beyshekiev. Immovable. And unbeaten. Still, after Paris, Amman is the site of an Asian Championship victory for Esmaili. He's done it again. Back-to-back Asian titles for Sa'id Esmaili.
On the mat, the winner and the Asian champion,